Every single day, people wake up, look in the mirror, and lie to themselves. I'll start when I have the time, when I have the money, when I join a gym. But the truth? The gym was never the answer. Your body is the weapon. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to prove to you that 30 days, zero equipment, and nothing but your own body weight is enough to completely rewrite your physique, your strength, and the way you walk into a room. No more waiting, no more excuses. The transformation starts right now. By the end of this video, you'll have the full 30-day calisthenics blueprint mapped out in front of you, a clear picture of exactly how your body evolves and shifts week by week, which exercises produce the quickest and most noticeable visual results, proven strategies to stay locked in even when motivation completely disappears, and the critical mistakes that hold most beginners back from ever seeing real progress. If you commit to this step-by-step system, you will not only look completely different in 30 days, more importantly, you will feel like an entirely different person. Let's get into it. Section 1. The reality check. Why calisthenics works so fast. Before we dive into the 30-day plan itself, there's something crucial you need to wrap your head around. Calisthenics is built on natural human movement patterns. Pushing, pulling, squatting, holding a plank, jumping, and stabilizing your own body. These are compound movements that recruit multiple muscle groups simultaneously. That translates directly to more calories torched, greater muscle activation across the board, and a significantly faster physical transformation compared to isolated machine-based training. When your own body weight becomes the resistance, your core is engaged constantly, your joints grow more resilient, your overall mobility and flexibility expand, and your physique develops that lean, athletic appearance people are drawn to. This is precisely why calisthenics before and after videos rack up millions of views. The results don't wait, they show up early and they show up hard. Section 2. What will change in your body? Here's a realistic and honest breakdown of what to expect across 30 days. Week 1. The wake-up phase. Your muscles are going to be shocked back to life. You'll feel deep soreness in areas you haven't thought about in years. Your core, your chest, your shoulders, your legs, every muscle fiber activating and demanding attention. Your metabolism will shift into a higher gear. You'll sweat more, sleep deeper, and move through your days feeling noticeably lighter. The mirror may not show dramatic changes yet, but beneath the surface, the internal transformation has already been set in motion. Week 2. Strength activation. Your push-ups will start to flow with more ease and control. Your planks will hold longer without shaking. Your squats will drop deeper with better balance. Your nervous system has stopped treating these movements as foreign and has shifted your body into full growth mode. Subtle but real physical changes begin to surface. A slight firmness in the chest, the beginning of shoulder shape, a tighter midsection, noticeably less bloat. This is the week most people throw in the towel, but those who grind through it are the ones who genuinely transform. Week 3. Visible change. This is the week people around you start to notice. Your arms take on more definition. Your chest looks fuller and more developed. Your back tightens up. Your abs begin showing early outlines through the skin. Even your face looks sharper as body fat begins to drop. Your strength climbs sharply. You're no longer grinding through every rep. You feel capable, athletic, and in command. Week 4. The transformation week. By this point, your posture has completely upgraded. Your muscles look sculpted and awake. You carry yourself with a lighter, more athletic presence. Your stamina is on another level. Even throwing on a plain t-shirt, your body tells a different story. It has adapted. It has rebuilt itself. You have genuinely changed, not just physically, but from the inside out. Section 3. The 30-day calisthenics plan. This is the exact blueprint you'll be working from. No second guessing, no confusion, just a clean and structured plug-and-play system. We break it down across 3 levels to ensure no one gets left behind. Beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Pick the level that honestly reflects where you're starting from, but under no circumstances skip the warm-up. Daily warm-up, 3 minutes, non-negotiable before every single session. 1. Arm circles, 20 seconds. 2. High knees, 30 seconds. 3. Hip rotations, 20 seconds. 4. Wrist mobility, 20 seconds. 5. Light jogging in place, 30 seconds. 6. Dynamic full body stretching, 1 minute. Your joints will absolutely thank you later. Section 4. The daily workout plan. Week 1. Build the base. Goal: master perfect form and ignite full body activation. Beginner: 10 push-ups, 15 squats, 20-second plank, 15 glute bridges, 10 incline push-ups. Complete 2 full rounds. Intermediate: 15 push-ups, 25 squats, 30-second plank, 15 glute bridges, 10 dips. Complete 3 rounds. Advanced: 20 push-ups, 30 squats, 45-second plank, 20 glute bridges, 12 dips. Complete 3 rounds. This week is about teaching your body the language of calisthenics. Don't chase failure, chase consistency and perfect form above everything else. Week 2. Strength and control. Goal: stimulate muscle growth and build raw endurance. Beginner: 12 push-ups, 20 squats, 25-second plank, 10 pike push-ups, 12 lunges each leg. 2 to 3 rounds. Intermediate: 20 push-ups, 35 squats, 40-second plank, 15 pike push-ups, 15 lunges each leg. 3 rounds. Advanced: 25 push-ups, 40 squats, 60-second plank, 20 pike push-ups, 20 lunges. 3 to 4 rounds. This week, you'll begin to feel noticeably stronger. Your technique sharpens, your breathing becomes more controlled, and your body starts to feel like it belongs in motion. Week 3. Sculpt and definition. Goal: crank up the intensity for visible, undeniable change. Beginner: 15 push-ups, 30 squats, 30-second plank plus side plank 15 seconds each side, 12 dips, 12 jump squats, 3 rounds. Intermediate: 25 push-ups, 45 squats, 45-second plank plus 20-second side plank, 15 dips, 15 jump squats, 3 rounds. Advanced: 30 push-ups, 50 squats, 60-second plank plus 30-second side plank, 20 dips, 20 jump squats, 4 full rounds. By this week, you don't just look different, you operate differently. This is your peak. Own it. Section 5. What to eat during these 30 days. You don't need to follow a complicated or restrictive diet plan. Just lock in on these foundational basics. 1. High-protein foods to fuel muscle repair and growth. Eggs, paneer, chicken, sprouts, lentils, Greek yogurt. 2. Quality whole carbohydrates for sustained energy. Oats, rice, potatoes, roti. 3. Healthy fat sources. Nuts, almonds, olive oil. 4. Proper hydration. Target 3 to 4 liters of water per day without fail. 5. Cut out the noise. Junk food, sugary beverages, deep-fried meals, and excessive sweets all need to go. Your physique cannot evolve on a diet that works against it. Keep your nutrition clean, simple, and consistent, and your results will follow. Section 6. Sleep and recovery. While you sleep, your body releases growth hormone, repairs damaged muscle fibers, accelerates fat burning, and fully resets your mind for the next day. Target 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every single night without compromise. Without adequate sleep, your progress slows to a crawl. With it, your transformation accelerates dramatically. Recovery is not optional, it is part of the training. Section 7. The biggest mistakes. Avoid these 6 critical errors or your transformation will stall before it ever truly begins. 1. Rushing through your reps with poor control. Slow down. Make every rep deliberate and precise. 2. Training every day without scheduled rest. Your body rebuilds during rest, not during the workout itself. 3. Sacrificing form for numbers. Quality must always come before quantity. 4. Skipping the warm-up. This is the fastest road to injury and time lost. 5. Failing to progress week to week. Push yourself to increase reps and difficulty as you improve. 6. Expecting overnight results.
Real transformation is built through sustained discipline, not a single workout. Section 8. The mental game. Your mind will become your biggest opponent. It will negotiate with you. Just skip today. You're tired. One day won't matter. Here is the mindset that cuts through all of that. Just 10 minutes today. One solid round is infinitely better than doing nothing. I stop when the clock runs out, not when it gets uncomfortable. Small daily wins compound into massive transformations. If you genuinely commit to these 30 days, your strength will climb to new levels. Your body will become tighter and more sculpted. Your shape will completely upgrade. Your confidence will ignite. Your discipline will become your identity. You'll look different, you'll feel different because you did the work when it was hard. Remember this, you don't need a gym. You don't need a single machine. You don't need anyone's permission or approval. You need only one thing: consistency. Show up today, show up tomorrow, show up every single day for 30 days straight. The version of you on the other side is already waiting.